Hi guys, Brian Yanish from ScrapKins. Welcome back to the studio. We are on video 5 of our 5-step series on how to create a milk carton guitar or ukulele. Today is our last video where we actually add our rubber band strings. So you should have a guitar that looks kind of like this at this point. Hopefully you've added some more decorations or maybe even painted it. But I want to get on to step 5, the strings. So I've got 4 rubber bands here that we're going to use as our strings. Now we want newer rubber bands because when they get old, they tend to stretch out and they don't sound as good. When rubber bands are nice and tight, they have a nice plucky sound to them, like a guitar. So before we stretch these onto our actual guitar, we want to make sure that we actually stretch them a little bit with our hands, just like so. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my rubber band end right through one of those slits I created in the headstock. I usually choose the one in the middle. And then I'm going to stretch it all the way over the bottom of our guitar. Straighten it out like that. Make sure we even it out like so. Okay, now we're going to get our next rubber band, stretch it out, put it over our next notch, and stretch it over our guitar. Okay, so now we've got 2 strings on. Now we're going to go for string number 3. Again, stretch it out. Stretch it all the way over. This part can be a little tricky, so don't worry if you don't get it the first time. That one's in the wrong space, I've got to move it over. Okay. Finally, our last string. Stretch it out. Put it in our last slot and stretch it all the way around. Then I'm going to check each one of my strings, make sure they're not getting in the way of each other. Okay. That one's crisscrossed over. Okay. Now I've got them so they're evenly spaced out. And one final step is we're actually going to take an ice cream stick, or you could even take a pencil, something to put underneath the rubber bands. And when we do this, it allows us to get some space between the actual body of the carton and the strings, so it's going to be easier to play. So what I did was I put my ice cream stick underneath, and then I actually folded it on the side to raise those strings up. As again, you could actually use a marker if you wanted to, or even a pencil. Now let's see if we can play this. It's actually pretty cool. Oops, fell over. Let's see what it sounds like now. See, not as good when they're just right against the side of the carton. That's why we need some distance. So let's try it again. This is actually pretty cool considering we created this just from ordinary junk we have around the house. So that's how you make a milk carton guitar. I hope you've enjoyed our video. And if you're interested, check out the links below where you can find other videos. And if you're really excited about building, you can actually order our Junk Rethunk book, which you'll find below. Thanks so much for watching. Check back here for our next video. We will transform some junk into something entirely. Thanks, guys.